bike adventure. I'm gonna bring up part 2, and you guys really let me know what you want to see more. I'm not gonna be able to ride pit bikes all the time unless I win the Joey Mac dirt bike, which would be outstanding. But ah, man, you guys watched the previous episode. I've had some difficulties keeping this bike running. That one wasn't good whatsoever. The problem is I'm trying to keep it running, but I'm trying to do a wheelie at the same time, so it's a really weird combination. There's Blake, he's on my brother's bike. Ah! That one was good, it was slow but good. Ah! Guys, this is gonna happen a lot. But I'm just too much of a chicken to do that. I just slid off the bike that time. Alright guys, I'm not gonna do this forever, so now I'm gonna do some trail stuff. So I'll probably do some wheelies here and there, but for now I'm just gonna be riding the pit bike. Too far because I think that I'll get in trouble. Even though I asked him if I could use the bike, but usually my mom, wait, no, not her, someone, I can't remember who for some reason, gets mad at me when I ride little bikes like this. It's definitely not my mom. I'm sorry I said that, I don't know why I said that, it's definitely not my mom. But yeah, so I'm not gonna be gone for too long. Turn around when I hit flat ground and try to climb all these hills, so this could get interesting. Ugh, right, I'm gonna turn around on these rocks. Yeah, because I don't want to try to take the bike through that. Oh, okay, let's do it. Come on, good bike. You got this. good hill, like that I could possibly get stuck on. I want to find like a good hill. Let's go this way, see what's this way. I've never been this way. I shouldn't have gone behind here like that. Oh, this could be interesting. If you try to go all the way up this, it's almost uphill all the way. Which would seem like nothing on a 125. But I think for this pit bike, it's going to be a big challenge, especially this part. Ugh, that was steep. Okay, I'm going to turn around here and do it. Don't let her die. Alright, let's do this. I'm probably going to need to shift down. I'm going to slow down. Bring her up here. No problem. So now I definitely know who's gonna make this. Nope, a little bit too low over here. Yeah, I made it a little bit more difficult right there than I probably should have. Sorry if I kind of bored you guys. If you guys want more pit bike videos, I will make them more interesting. Just right now, I don't want to I just kind of thought I'd mention it to you guys about bringing pit bike videos on a pit bike, and I'll definitely ride a little bit better if you guys want more. And no, I'm not ending the episode. Don't click yet. I'm gonna do a couple wheelies. Which absolutely sucked, so let's go fast. Big bump, boink, whoops, bow, bow, bow. Oh, that was not good. Everything's just more interesting on a pit bike. You're like, can I make that? I don't know if I can. Everything just seems more interesting. Jump. Ah, boy. We'll shift it into third so I can just roll down this one. Don't. Oh, hold on, I gotta do better for you guys. Okay, I'm gonna do one more, and I'm gonna try to say my intro in the wheelie, okay? Alright, you guys. Oh, no! Alright, you guys. This is it for this video. Hope you like pit bikes. And thanks for watching, and please subscribe, and bye! Oh, dang it.